Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you from May. This is from the Sugar Muses and this is going to be the Midnight Muses Deluxe. And this is one of my favorites. So, this is what I see when we open it. Our theme is Mystical Journey. Mystical Journey. And each month, everything is always changed. Paper, everything matches like the decor, which is very nice. Oh, we have this beautiful, beautiful Book of Shadows art. These are so gorgeous, you can actually put these in frames. And this one is Mystical Journey, Vast Mysteries of Life Unknown begins to show, for within this magical world there is no end, as the wandering witch ventures out to start again. Absolutely beautiful. So we got two beautiful art Book of Shadows, or I call them art. We have our Oracle or Tarot. This one looks like, I'm not sure. This might be an oracle. This one's Universe, the Great One of the Night of Time. So we have that. Oh wait, there's something else in here. And we have a cute little sticker. I almost did not see that. It popped its little head out. And our beautiful paper. Everything's like, like a certain spot, I guess you would say. Everything's just like so pretty laying there. So we have the Witch's Runes. Ooh. The Witch's Runes. Nice. So I see a bag of lavender. Nice big bag of lavender. We got a bag of Palo Santo. Looks like incense sticks. Yes. Palo Santo incense sticks. What else we got? Ooh, what is this? Crown Chakra Ritual Salt. I love this cute little bottle. Crown Chakra Ritual Salt. That is so pretty. Look at that cute little bottle. I love it. And then we have this beautifully tied sachet with a beautiful tumble in here. It looks like it could be amethyst. Let me just double check. May, guys. May. Already. I'm glad it's spring for sure. Getting those stuff planted, my herbs, my flowers. I'm not going to be able to get my garden this year because we're still working on the inside, but hopefully by next year we can do my garden again. This looks like purple. I'm going to guess amethyst, but it also could be fluorite. I'm not 100% sure. But my guess is I'm going to say amethyst. And then we have this pretty beeswax purple candle. It's really cute. I like how it is. It looks like a little tower. Oh, there's two. It has a friend. So we got two beeswax. That's nice. And they smell nice too. And purple is my favorite color. And this is a deep purple. I like that. All right, what else we got? We have bubble. Flower Moon Lavender and Sage Essential Oil. Beautiful bottle. Beautiful label. It matches the art. These are absolutely beautiful. All the scents I've gotten are awesome. Okay, we have a big item, which I'm going to have to grab. We have this beautiful silver color pentacle box. Wow, all around. And it's black velvet on the bottom. Black velvet in here. Ooh, and there's some stuff in here. What's in here? My cat is dying to get in. You can hear her. This is beautiful. Black satin bag with a purple tassel. Oh, wow, that is so pretty. Really pretty. Don't even want to open it. I'm assuming we have to, right? Find out what's in here. Let's see. Sorry, it's taking a bit. I think I might got it. It's so hard when it's black string, and I can't see how to open it. I think that I opened it. Oh, but the tassel is holding it too. All right, I see. I unfortunately have to take the pretty tassel off to open the bag, which is very disappointing. Because now that's going to take me a lot longer. Anticipation on what's in here. Okay. Oops. Okay. I think it'll open now. Yes. Our witch's runes. And they're beautiful. They're like a dark or black wood. And they're all wood burned. Beautiful. Wow. These are absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. These are absolutely, I love them. These are absolutely, and then you get a blank one. Our awesome witch's runes. And also in here we have our beautiful lemon mint tea in this beautiful bag with a reusable, throwaway tea bag. And I don't know if there's going to be anything else. That might be it. Because we got our incense, we got our oil. Yep, that's everything. Absolutely beautiful box. And I don't know how she does it, but in here you'll see the witch in the paperwork. That is just, I find that amazing. All right, so the contents are, we'll go over quick. Palo Santo incense, crown chakra ritual salts, the Flower Moon beautiful ritual oil, the dried lavender, the amethyst gemstone, which is a deep, beautiful amethyst as on top of that, magical sight hand-rolled beeswax candles, the silver embossed wood treasure box, the beautiful witch's runes, lemon mint herbal tea. What did I do with put that back in here? Yes, I did. And then the intuitively drawn card and the beautiful artwork and the stickers. May's magic. The month of May was named for the Greek goddess Maya. In Greek, Maya means good mother. A variation of the name is also sometimes spelled Maya, but it's M-A-I-A. She is the daughter of Atlas, a titan who was responsible for bearing the weight of the heavens on his shoulders, and the mother of Hermes, messenger of gods. In later times, Maya became strongly associated with the Roman goddess Bonadi, whose name literally translates as good goddess. Today, Maya is strongly associated with Gaia, Mother Earth, and is a symbol of growth, fulfillment, and nourishing. She is Queen of Flowers, the gentle hand that coaxes the flora and vegetation to break through the soil of spring. Then she goes into the deities, what's going on this month, and this beautiful. And then we have detailed information on our items. What the lavender is good for, the candles, but everything else we should really know. All right, so I will read about the Mystical Sight Beeswax Candle. Purple candles enhance psychic abilities, making these perfect to burn during tarot reading ceremonies, seeking guidance from ancestors or spirit guides. And during any divination ritual placed upon your altar, they can be used to invoke the element of fire. Never leave these candles unattended or around children or pets, or allow them to burn down completely. Use heat-proof holder. She has a divination ritual she has included for us. The card is from the Hermetic Tarot deck. So it is a tarot card. I was incorrect saying it was an oracle. And that's somewhere over here. So this is from the Hermetic Tarot deck. Palisanto tea. Tumblestone amethyst is good for divination, obviously. This box is beautiful. Hand and surface black velvet lining. Each one is individually finished and can be used to hold your runes, tarot, or other magical tools. Witch's runes. The witch's runes are simple pictograms that match concepts which symbols that are most understandable than the elder Futhark runes. Since witches' runes are not an ancient script, they have no specific pronunciation or sound. The titles of the runes are in English. These handmade runes have 14 runic tablets, 13 runes with printed runic inscriptions, and 1 blank. The blank one is silence, 0, the void, the infinite possibility. So what do you think of this box? I love it. I love how everything blends. I love the colors. I love the witch's runes that they're like this black and with the brown in the middle. These are really look handcrafted. I love it. I love the box. I love everything. I will leave the information about the Midnight Muses by Sugar Muses for May description down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day.